Hindi totoong buntis ang TV host, actress, at singer na si Karil. Ito ang nilinaw ng It's Showtime host makaraang lumabas ang haka-hakang siya ay buntis na sa unang anak nila ng asawang si Yael Luzon. Sa latest episode ng podcast ni Karil na drama noong February 7, 2025, tuluyan nang nagsalita si Karil para klaruhin sa publiko na hindi siya nagdadalantaw. Noong August 2024, unang kumalat ang balitang buntis si Karil dahil sa madalas nitong pagliban sa kapamilya noontime show na It's Showtime. Nasundan ito noong January 2025 nang kumalat online ang video ni Karil sa isang event. Naintriga ang netizens sa nasabing video dahil sa inilagay na caption ng uploader na, "Karil, buntis na ba?" Dahil umano sa baby bump na makikita sa aktres. Karil addresses latest pregnancy rumors. Para tudukan ang mga espekulasyon, minarapat ni Karil na magsalita sa pamamagitan ng kanyang podcast. Hindi na raw kasi niya maatim na maraming tao ang naniniwala sa mga maling balita at impormasyong nakikita online. Pulala na raw ng pulala ang fake news tungkol sa kanya, sa puntong may mga nakakasalubong siyang tao na kino-congratulate siya dahil akala ng mga ito ay totoong buntis siya. Saad ni Karil, "A lot of you have been congratulating me for being pregnant because of the fake news that was circulating. So I'm here to tell you that, no, I'm not. I have been stopped on the street and congratulated for being pregnant, and I have to explain, of course, that I'm not pregnant. This is the third time that this news has circulated, so I know categorically denial would be useless because you want to believe what you want to believe, and maybe you have a good feeling about congratulating me." Diin pa niya, "I think it's not about education level, a lot of people have been fooled by this news. So I'm here to tell you once again that the news is fake. I hate fake news." Bagamat walang masamang epekto sa kanyang showbiz career, gusto raw malaman ni Karil kung paano ito maiiwasan. Sa kanyang podcast ay inimbitahan ni Karil si former Bureau of Internal Revenue, Commissioner Attorney Kim Henares para maipaliwanag sa kanya kung paano ay handle ng tama ang fake news. Ani Karil, "How do we stop this kind of problem from happening, from circulating? Especially because it doesn't seem like bad news. It's not something that destroys my character. You don't feel like a chismoso or a chismoso person by clicking or congratulating me on the comment section. So, what's wrong with it? KARYLLE strange situation." Sa pagkakatanda raw ni Karil ay 3 beses na siyang natsismos na nagdadalantaw kaya naman ayaw na niyang maulit pa ito at pang-4. Pagsasangguni niya kay Attorney Henares, "I don't know how to feel about asking for help, but I feel I'm in a very strange situation wherein the fake news is not bad news. I didn't do anything bad. People feel like they did not anything bad because when you congratulate somebody about having a child, it's not bad. So what is it that I can do to stop this from happening a 4th time, because this is the 3rd time that this has happened to me?" Sagot sa kanya ni Attorney Henares, "Actually, if you look at our law, you have to prove damages to yourself. But if you say it's not damaging, that's a problem. There's a fake news that don't really damage anyone but they're just not factual." Showbiz News. Elections 2025. Lifestyle. Hindi showbiz. Pep alerts. Blind items. Pepka Love Team. Videos. News. Local news. Karil shuts down pregnancy rumors. "I hate fake news." Karil, "The news is fake. I hate fake news." By Christine Joy Bailon. Published 17 hours ago. TV host, actress, and singer Karil sets the record straight on the circulating rumors about her alleged pregnancy, clarifying that there is no truth to the speculation. Photo, screen grab Sunder on YouTube.